How to open a new window from dock if it's already running in OSX. I'm new to OSX and the thing I missed from Windows 7 is the ability to open a new window if you hold the Shift key and press on the applications icon within the taskbar. Similarly, OSX does have a function where if you press the middle button, the scroll wheel button, it does open a new window. I have not stumbled upon a way to do it with the keyboard and touchpad. Command plus click app icon opens a Finder window where the app is located. Control plus click app icon is similar to secondary click. Option plus click app icon triggers app expose. I am aware that Command plus N opens a new window in most applications. However, when working in multiple desktops, having a similar functionality to the middle button click with just the touchpad would be much easier.
I downloaded and installed Magic Preps, which allowed me to add more gestures onto both my trackpad and Magic Mouse, and it's free. Then I downloaded HyperDock. It's got a 15-day trial, then it's $9.99. Open HyperDock in your settings, go to Dock Items. By default there should be a Command plus N action, and the event is set to middle click. If it's not set, you should set it manually. Now I can perform a 3-finger click to imitate the middle mouse button, which opens a new window on already opened applications.
My suggestion to you is learn how to use Apple Tab to switch between apps. Shortcut keys are your ticket to speeding things up. Apple Tab, Apple N, and your new window pops up. That assumes you are right-handed and have your left hand available for shortcut keys, that is. Op states that they work in multiple desktops. In that case, for this approach to work, you want to turn off the automatic switching to the space where the application is active. This will allow for opening a new window in the current desktop space. System Preferences, and GT, Mission Control, and GT, uncheck when switching to an application.
Better Touch Tool, freeware, enables creating a shortcut that can be performed anywhere that sends a different shortcut to a specific application. Just have it send into whatever program you want to open a new window in. This URL.
HyperDock has this feature. After installation, go to the Dock Items tab, select all dock items and change the shortcut associated to +N, new window, from middle click to, for example, +left click. HyperDock has a 15-day free trial.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.